Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to take a full page scrolling screenshot in the Opera browser. For this, you don't need any software or extension because Opera has a built-in feature. To take full page screenshot, just open Opera browser and then navigate to the page you want to take a screenshot. At the top on this one toolbar, you will see this one camera icon. Click on this one icon. Now you will see here capture full page at the top. Click on this one. Now Opera will automatically scroll that page and will save that in one single image. Now click on this one save image button at the bottom. Now name the file and save it, and after that when you want you can open it and you will see full page screenshot has been captured in a single image. This one is full page screenshot that I have taken for my website GearUpWindows. Like this, you can take a screenshot on your PC also. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.